Vanakkam and hi to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen. This video is all about our beautiful non-silk summer collections. So immediately the one thing which really flashes in our mind when we talk about summer are pastels, lightweight and easy to carry OOTD. So this video is all about our Banaras, cotton, organza, easy breezy designs in linens and tussars. So there are color options available in the sarees which are being shown in the video. So you can always check out the collections in our website www.cliosilks.com. If you have any queries regarding saree collections, you can always contact our customer care number +91 99626 77777. Our sales executive will walk you through our store virtually and show you the collections. So let's check out the collections. The saree which I am wearing is a Banaras beige cotton saree. The overall design of the saree is just full thread jute work where it has the design of a peacock feather running throughout the body, and the border has this triple color border which is black, orange and red, and look at the pallu, it has this thread woven reddish pallu. So the overall saree doesn't have any design. It's very simple, sophisticated and very easy to drape. For this kind of a saree I have gone with a black and a beige woven blouse, which is also Banaras. So you can pair this saree with a very minimal threadwork blouse in either of these colors, which looks very fantastic. And we have a color option which is black with beige. With similar border of red, orange and black. So only the color is different, whereas the rest of the body design is all similar patterns. So moving on to the next saree is a silver tissue Banaras saree. The body of the design has this multi-color woven floral design in antique zari and a beautiful color palette of green, orange and pink, whereas the border of the saree has this contrast pink with multi-minakari floral design. So the pallu has a strip of antique zari multi-floral design, and the blouse has this beautiful pink brocade blouse. So for this kind of a saree you can stick with the same kind of a similar blouse, or if you want to go with a multicolor blouse, it will be really fantastic. So what is summer without pastels? It's a beautiful peach Banaras linen saree with silver zari, and the overall body of the saree has this very cute and pretty multi-floral digital prints which is woven throughout the saree. So the saree had such as a very minimalistic pattern and design, whereas a digital printed multi-floral in linen saree, whereas the border has silver border and the silver zari lines pallu. This kind of a saree you can go with the same similar peach linen blouse or a silver blouse or a multi-thread work blouse with it, because since the saree is a very pastel color, you can play up with a multicolor blouse with the saree. So very subtle and sophisticated Banaras linen. This saree is a geometric print where the base is off-white and the design of the saree has this beautiful pink and blue, not exactly polka but a geometrical design. So the overall saree doesn't have any zari work, but it has this multi-thread stripes border on both sides, and the pallu has this block prints of blue and pink pallu. When you look at the blouse has a similar pattern of just a plain blue linen. This kind of a saree you can go with a printed blouse. So easy breezy organza. This organza is not very transparent, but it is a translucent saree, where the overall saree has this tie and dye pattern of green with beige and brown pattern. The saree has this multi stripes of, it has this beautiful shade of green with beige with mustard. The saree is flanked with silver tissue border on both sides, and you look at the pallu is a very simple silver tissue with stripes pallu. this kind of a sari has a running blouse, but you can go with green brocade or a beige and a yellow combination of blouse with it, with just a close neck and a simple elbow sleeves will look really elegant. That organza was a stripes, and this organza is a multi-floral in grey gradient. It has this self checks Banaras organza sari where it has this gradient of grey with ash color. When you look at the sari, the floral is being placed towards the pleats, whereas the upper part has this florals which is just splattered, and it has bordered with two antique zari border on both sides, which is so beautiful, elaborate work done on it. And the pallu has this self stripes zari pallu. For this kind of a sari, I wouldn't go with any other color than mustard yellow, because mustard yellow will look really nice on the sari, because since the sari color is a muted grey, with any bright blouse the sari will look really sophisticated. This is a very elegant sari, peach with teal combination. It is a typical Banaras design that is called as a Banaras brocade design woven in this sari. This is a DUPIAN Banaras cotton, whereas the border of the sari is teal antique zari border. The upper part of the border has this typical traditional border in teal, whereas the lower half has this complete brocade floral design. And the overall design of the sari has this gold brocade pattern which is woven throughout the sari with a contrast teal brocade pallu. And this sari has a contrast teal plain with border blouse. So you can go with a similar kind of a blouse where you can just mix and match with the patterns, or you can go with the teal brocade, or you can work something on it with brocade embroidery done on it, because this sari is very classy even for a functions or even for a meetings or even for a very small events at your home. This sari will look really amazing. Talking about summer and pastels, this color is not far away. It's lavender Banaras KORA sari, whereas the overall zari pattern of this sari has this digital printed checks where it is woven with silver thread and gold zari. So this sari has typically flanked with a very simple and a sophisticated gold zari border, and the pallu has a beautiful gold zari brocade pallu. And this blouse has another fantastic brocade gold blouse. So this kind of a sari you needn't go with any other blouse, so you can stitch this blouse into a boat neck or a close neck. A very simple linen cotton sari. So this sari is 50% linen with 50% cotton count, where you don't feel the heaviness to it because the sari is very lightweight and it drapes really well. This is a very unique combination. It is neon green with blue where it doesn't have any zari, and the border of the sari has this greyish blue tint to it, and the pallu has this greyish blue pallu. The blouse is just a running, but you can go with a grey floral blouse with it, because you might think that if the body is checks, there isn't any pattern in the blouse, will it look good? But actually these kind of a saris, only if you play up with blouses, these saris will look much better. So when you talk about Supernet Banaras, this is a very bright and a beautiful sari, orange with cream combination. The sari as such is very elegant and it's bright combination. So this sari has a applique patchwork where it has this beautiful paisley embroidery done throughout the sari, and it has this patchwork of cream and gold KORA patchwork done on the sari. And the pallu as such, it is a running pallu, but the overall sari has the design running through the pleats. And for this kind of a sari, you can go with, as I said before, you can go with a hot pink blouse, which is a brocade, or you can go with some similar to the cream or orange brocade, which will look really nice on this one. Sunshine yellow, which is typically good for this summer. This is a Banaras KORA sari with just hand embroidered crochet weaving. So look at the sari, it has this typical crochet weaving in yellow thread, and it has this beautiful paisley mango motifs woven in different shades, that is in pink and in grey. So when you look at the border of the sari, it has this thread border which is not zari, and the thread border is rust and pink with silver thread woven on it. So the overall sari has this design running throughout the saree, whereas the pallu, it has just stripes. For this kind of a saree, you can go with just a plain kanchi cotton blouse which has this typical traditional mango patterns, or you can go with or grey or a rust orange floral for this. Very subtle. It is a muslin Banaras tussar, where it is being flanked with two antique zari borders, which is Ganga Jamna. One is antique zari blue and another is an antique zari green. And the body of the saree is beige with multi-floral digital print. It's such a beautiful, very minimalistic saree. And this saree has a running blouse and a running pallu. The beauty of the saree is, apart from the multicolor digital print woven on it, it has the self print woven throughout the saree. Since the saree has a very beige base to it, I think you can play up with a lot of multicolor blouses to this saree, because any kind of multi brocade blouses in pink or blue or green or red will really go well with this saree. This is a sky blue tussar saree. This saree has a triple paisley mango woven throughout the saree in silver zari, and the border is not attached. It is self-woven silver zari border. It is not more of a silver, not more of a gold, but it's a beautiful, very antique tint to it. So look at the saree. It has this a beautiful shade of blue with DUPIAN stripes running throughout the saree, with just paisley mango woven throughout the saree in zari, and it has this very intricate woven pallu, which is also the mango and the typical Banaras brocade pallu. So this kind of a saree, you should definitely go with a nice tangy orange blouse, or if you want to keep it very simple because you need to attend any meetings, or if you're an entrepreneur want to be very simple look, then you can go with a similar pattern of the blouse with just a simple work done. So since it's summer, it's not wrong to go with more shades of yellow. So I'm leaning on this one because it is beautiful mustard and gold color with silver and cream floral design pattern. This is a typical Banaras KORA saree, where the overall design has this pattern. It is this multi-floral pattern in silver and beige, whereas the border and the pleats has this mango paisley woven design with two sides of the border. So this is a very beautiful typical applique work saree, but actually not applique. And the pallu has this very intricate woven brocade pallu. Since the saree has this overall design, the blouse is a brocade blouse with it. You can wear this blouse if you want to go for a monotone look, or if you want to play up with colors, you can go with red or a bright purple or a violet blouse will look really nice on the saree.
So if you like our videos, kindly like and share our videos. So if you have any question, kindly post in the comment section. If you like our videos and like to be notified about it, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can shop all of our collections and the collection shown in the video from our website www.cliosilks.com, where we would be adding collections every day. We have a very safe and secured payment gateway. You can either pay through debit card, credit card, net banking and PayPal. So if you'd like to see more collections, you can also contact us through WhatsApp +919962677777. Our sales staff would attend to you personally. So we do free shipping within India and we do ship worldwide. For orders above $400, we do free international shipping, and we have a hassle-free 10-day return policy. We are located in the prime locality at Alvapet, which is 5 minutes from T Nagar. We are working on all days from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have ample car parking space right in front of our store. We do same-day delivery within Chennai, and we offer complimentary saree fall and pico.